best recommendation for a piece of equipment would be a variable speed pump. A lot of people are concerned about the energy cost of running and operating a swimming pool. By using a variable speed pump, we can control the flow rate and the speed that it's running at. So not only is it more energy efficient, but it's also quieter, so you're not distracted by the equipment running while you're enjoying your backyard and being with your family. The other thing that it allows you to do is not only using it as your circulation pump, but using it as your jet pump or a water feature pump can change the effect that you have when using your spa, making those jets more enjoyable because you can customize it to exactly what you like, as well as adjusting your water features. So whether you want a soft, slow trickle where it's barely noticeable, or you want a roaring waterfall, that pump is going to allow you to design and customize that experience.